Just like mechanical keyboards have surged in popularity among typists and gamers for their tactile feedback, durability, and precision, embroidery machines are becoming increasingly essential for DIY crafters, small business owners, and hobbyists. Choosing the right one involves evaluating stitch quality, embroidery area size, ease of use, connectivity, and overall value. In this guide,
List number 1. Poulin EO06 Embroidery Machine. Experience Poulin EO06 Embroidery Machine. Urgent, 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 action-oriented. Important note: social media support. Search for Poulin Embroidery Machine groups on Facebook to join us. We will provide free one-to-one after-sales service from engineers to better start your embroidery career. The official YouTube channel, Poulin, welcomes you to follow for teaching videos and real usage feedback. The max embroidery area 7.9 by 11 inch. This computerized embroidery machine comes with 2 pieces 5.5 by 5.5 inches hoops, 1 piece 8 by 8 inch hoops, and 7.9 by 11 inch hoops. Large enough embroidery area to meet your business for clothing, t-shirt, beddings, ideal for embroidered designs on bags, wallets, and scarves, towels, pillowcases, or napkins. Ideal for stitching on sleeves, pant legs, and side panels of shirts, jackets, and hoodies, table runners, and towels.
List number 2. Brother SE700 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. The Brother SE700 is a 2-in-1 machine, combining sewing and embroidery functions, making it an all-in-one solution for creative individuals. With a 4-inch by 4-inch embroidery area and 135 built-in embroidery designs, it's versatile enough for decorative projects, patches, and monograms. The standout feature is its wireless connectivity, allowing you to transfer designs via Brother's ArtSpira app or connect directly to your PC. This makes customization easy for modern users who prefer digital design tools. Additionally, the machine includes 103 sewing stitches, ensuring it doubles as a robust sewing companion. The embroidery area may be smaller than advanced machines, but for light to medium-duty embroidery and sewing, it executes flawlessly. Furthermore, it features a 6.4 by 4.8 centimeters LCD colored touchscreen. This makes it easier for users to see their designs and adjust them before stitching.
List number 3. Poulin EOC05 Embroidery Machine, Maximum Embroidery Area. The Poulin EOC05 stands out for its maximum embroidery area, designed to accommodate large and complex projects. This makes it a great choice for users who want to work on quilts, large apparel designs, or business-related embroidery with minimal hoop adjustments. It features an intuitive LCD screen for design editing, and like its EOC06 sibling, it supports USB import for personalized patterns. Built-in designs and lettering options make it beginner-friendly, while advanced users will enjoy the ability to upload professional-grade embroidery files. The machine also includes automatic threading, thread trimming, and speed control, ensuring efficient and accurate results. Its sturdy build reduces vibration during high-speed operation, which helps maintain stitch consistency. One minor drawback is its larger footprint, requiring more workspace. However, the trade-off is worthwhile if you need a reliable machine that delivers precision for big projects. Verdict: a large format embroidery machine with high-end features, best for serious crafters and small businesses needing more design space.
List number 4. Brother PE545 Embroidery Machine. The Brother PE545 is tailored for beginners seeking an easy-to-use embroidery-only machine. With a 4-inch by 4-inch embroidery field and 135 built-in designs, it provides a solid foundation for learning embroidery basics while still delivering professional quality stitches. Its color LCD display allows users to preview and adjust designs before stitching, giving flexibility in resizing, rotating, and combining patterns. The automatic needle threader is especially helpful for new users, minimizing frustration during setup. Wireless connectivity via the Artspira app makes importing and editing designs effortless. The machine also supports additional designs from iBroidery.com, ensuring endless creative possibilities. While its embroidery area is smaller compared to higher-end models, the PE545 is lightweight, portable, and affordable, making it perfect for home hobbyists or those just starting their embroidery journey. Verdict: an affordable, beginner-friendly embroidery machine with modern features, ideal for hobbyists who want to explore creative projects without complexity.
List number 5. Brother PE900 embroidery machine with WLAN. The Brother PE900 is a premium embroidery machine designed for serious crafters and small businesses. It boasts a 5-inch by 7-inch embroidery field, allowing larger, detailed designs with fewer hoop changes. With 193 built-in embroidery designs and 13 fonts, this machine provides plenty of options out of the box. Its standout feature is wireless LAN connectivity, which allows seamless design transfer from your computer, smartphone, or Brother's Artspira app. The PE900 also includes an advanced color touchscreen with editing tools that make it easy to customize designs directly on the machine. Automatic needle threading and thread trimming add efficiency, while the machine's powerful motor ensures consistent stitch quality on a variety of fabrics. Although it's more expensive than entry-level models, the PE900 offers unmatched convenience, precision, and versatility, ideal for advanced users who want to take their embroidery projects to the next level.